Good evening, ITM team. Alright, so this video is dedicated to showing you that you can do this without a bunch of laptops and display monitors. You could do this on your phone. I'm actually at work on my lunch break doing these trades. So you'll see right now it's 9:50. I'm in Tesla and I'm doing a put on Tesla. I'm betting it that it goes down. I've been in this trade for about 4 minutes and we're already up 200 plus. So I'm looking to get about 350 out of this. Tesla moves really fast, so, and it moves a lot. So one contract can yield you some pretty good profits. All right, let's sell. Let's see what we get. Sometimes Robinhood feels you where you want to be filled. Sometimes they don't. It's kind of up to them, it seems like. And they don't have market orders for options, which is totally bullshit. But all right, so let's see. One contract yielded us $480. That's pretty good for a lunch break trade. All right, so next up I got SPY. All right, this is another lunch break trade. 10:37 a.m. Let me clear all this out. All right, so I'm doing a SPY call right now. I'm up 200 plus. And I'm looking for I got 5 contracts, so I'm looking about $500. I'm confident with the momentum that SPY came out of the sellers and the crossover there, that it's going to give us some pretty good gains. So I got in on the crossover, the 8 crossing over the 20, and you see the 200 above there. That's okay, because the 200 acts as like the stock wants to get back to the 200. If it's so far away from the 200, it wants to revert back to the 200. All right, so look at our previous candle. That's a doji candle. That means that the buyers and sellers couldn't decide on the price, so it's nobody into that candle. So that means the stock is about to reverse out of our favor, but it's okay, because the stock is going to bounce off of the 220 moving average. All right, so we went from positive 200 to negative 48, and we're going to go more negative, but we are going to bounce off of the 200 and we're going to be more positive than where we were before. All right, so this would be a perfect time to average down. When you're negative like this and you see the stock going down, but you're confident in your technical analysis that the stock is going to bounce off of one of those moving averages and go back up, you can average down. That means buy more contracts at a cheaper price to bring your average cost down. So when you go back up, you'll be going back up with bigger profits. But for the sake of this is on my lunch break and I can't just sit here and watch it, I'm gonna just keep it with these 5 contracts. All right, so 10 minutes later, bam, look at that bounce. That's a beautiful bounce, and now we're back in the profits. I think I went like negative 180, and then it did that bounce, and you see where we are now. So the next and only thing we have to worry about now, since we got the crossover right, we got the bounce, is the resistance level. That doji to the left is going to act as a resistance level. The stock has to move above that doji candle to get to a monster profits. And as soon as that stock moves above that doji candle, we're going to get a big green elephant bar, because it just broke resistance. That means the buyers are ready to catapult this out of here. So we're gonna ride this momentum up. I'm pretty sure the next candle will be the candle that that breaks this resistance level. All right, we are literally right here on the resistance level. As soon as we break this, we're gonna see, we might see our $500 here, might even $600 to $700, depending on where we get out at. But we're on our lunch break. We're not trying to be greedy. I actually want to just like get out right now. We just passed the resistance level. Let me see where I'm at. Where I'm at. Okay, almost 500. Where am I? Look at that big green bar. That's beautiful. That's beautiful. All right, I'm satisfied. I'm ready to get out of here. Let me go ahead and close this position, limit order this out to secure the profits, and we will see what we actually got filled at. All right, lunch break profit, and we are 562. That's pretty good for the lunch break. All right, so our next trade, malicious 05, I'm sorry. That's actually ITM JO. Okay, so she's really good at technical analysis. So whenever she puts something on our Discord, like an alert, I buy into it. All right, she put alert for a put on forward. Okay, so this is what she saw pre-market, a move down, and this is what she saw 10 minutes into the trading day, a continuing move down. So I got in 2 contracts, up $10, then up $18, and then she alerted that this thing is gonna go far. So I went and bought 10 more contracts. So now I'm at 12 contracts, and I am at $90 profit right now, and now I'm at $144 profit. This is at work on my phone. You can do it too.